In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Google Drive with Outlook. Open Outlook on the web. Locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Outlook window. Click on the gear and select View all Outlook settings. You will see various options on the left side. Select Mail. Within the Mail settings, find and select Attachment options. This will bring you the Attachments setting area. In there, look for Google Drive icon. It might be represented by the Google Drive logo. Click on it, and then you might be asked to choose Google account you wish to integrate with Outlook. Select your preferred account. Once selected, you'll need to grant Outlook permission to access your Google Drive, then click Allow button to provide the necessary permissions. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this